Check natin mga meme yung mais. Bago natin pitasin, tingnan natin kung magulang na. Ah, this baby.
It's no good. It's not in corn. It's not black and white.
Why white? It's an ornamental corn.
It's not. It's supposed to be black and yellow, different colors.
Yeah.
It's not.
Yes.
Yes, it's not different colors.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not.
Not good. Not good. Ang tataas. Ang liliit. Ba't kaya ganun yung bunga, meme? Ito, iba-iba ang kulay. Ito, mag-try pa ng isa. Colorful yung bunga nito mga meme. Bakit puti yung... Ayan! It's a baby.
You hang it up for we'll let the rest, but yeah, you hang it up for decoration.
Decoration, not eating?
Right, decoration, not eating.
Oh my god! Huh? It's decoration?
You let it dry out. Yeah, oops. Yeah.
It's eating.
No.
Why?
It's
a
for
corn.
decoration. Fall decoration. We'll let the... It's for hanging up. Let these dry out and then you hang it up.
Laga ko yung bukas.
These normally...
Tomorrow I boil it.
No.
Laga ko yung bukas. Bala ka. I boil it tomorrow. Ano decoration?
You tie it up.
Kakainin ko yan.
For decoration, we tie it up and let it dry
Not
out.
decoration. Decoration sa tummy. Decoration tummy. Tummy decoration.
Yeah, well,
Sarap kaya yan. Decoration lang.
We'll let
Laga
the
ko
rest
yung
of 'em-
bukas. Lalaga ko yung bukas. Tomorrow.
No, decoration.
Tomorrow. I eat tomorrow. Not the decoration. Yan. Oh. Ano't dekorasyon? Anong decoration? Lalaga kita. Ganda ng bunga eh. Kakulay. Makulay ang buhay.
We tie it up with a string.
Why?
It's for decoration.